1. Know your DNA. Identify your business's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats through a thorough SWOT analysis. Understanding your unique attributes sets the foundation for a tailored growth plan. 2. Tailor your approach. Avoid generic strategies. Customize your growth plan based on your industry, target audience, and competitive landscape. Personalization ensures alignment with your business's distinct needs. 3. Embrace innovation. Stay ahead by adopting new technologies, trends, and methodologies. Innovation, whether digital marketing or the latest software solutions, is crucial for sustainable growth. 4. Strategic collaborations. Forge partnerships that complement your strengths and mitigate weaknesses. Collaborations can open new growth avenues, from joint marketing efforts to co-developing products or services. 5. Flexibility is key. Adaptability is crucial in a dynamic business landscape. Be open to adjusting strategies based on market shifts, customer feedback, and internal performance. Flexibility ensures resilience and innovation,